I ran ZBrush in 1.5 years. Now I don't know the first thing about this software cause I haven't even touched it ever since May 2019. One consolation year though, I was really hitting the books at that time and I took notes of every lecture. Having reviewed them, they sounded like rocket science to me now, so I first put the hotkeys together cause I felt that it would prepare me well for the basic operation. Trying to get the hang of it, I started scripting some heads. On the day 3, I tried imitating the female model provided by ZBrush. Didn't go well, nothing surprising at all. The eyes, particularly making eyes was a pain in the neck. Didn't even have footage for this. Duh, this is so frustrating. What I made is a total train wreck. Open the file I made in March last year in order to get any hint from the younger me. Yo, who are you? I can't believe I was able to make this much. Anyway, this doll features these rabbit-like lips, which kind of remind me of Subin from Tomorrow by Together. He's as beautiful as dolls, then why not make his face out of this doll? So I started morphing this doll into Subin, and I think that was a nice decision cause that not only helped me recall pretty much of my memories, but I also really enjoyed doing it. Oh, this is so entertaining to do. Actually, I'm enjoying it much more than when I first learned it, because back in the academy, I was always cramming for the test and feeling really stressed out. Now that I go over the face of my doll, it has, of course, nothing to share with Subin. I just had to reconstruct everything. I guess I learned the function to project pictures or something, but I don't want to approach that way this time. Yay, it's a painting time! I think this is much easier to show you how I paint than when I do the tiny material dolls. They are so small, so most of the time the footage is out of focus or some parts of my body block the view. Each way of painting is quite different though. By the way, somebody tell me how to erase poly paint. I wanted to use the doll body I made, but I couldn't figure out how to connect smoothly the both parts without affecting the paint, so I ended up leaving the neck only. Hey, the thing is, I don't know how to sculpt hair, but I can't finish like this with Subin being bald, so let me just make the stocking cap of Santa Claus, cause it's Christmas. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is not a good way to make hair, but anyway, I'll just play it by ear. Please let me off the hook this time about the poor quality. I didn't want the bangs to cover his eyebrows, which I'd put a lot of efforts into, so I made them half swept. Let me whip up a lead cake for him since it's freezing outside. Cool beans! That's it for today. Happy holidays, everybody!